Hello everybody. Here today I'm gonna be making a tuna salad, and I'm gonna be putting that tuna salad inside half of an avocado. Okay, I have here two avocados, and I'm gonna be putting the tuna salad in there. I already have a video on how to make the tuna salad, how I make the tuna salad. But on this one, I'm going to add cranberries to the tuna salad. I got cranberries in here, and I'm going to add some cranberries. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to videotape this, but I'm going to go through it fast. What I did with the avocado, I cut the bottom part of them. I cut the bottom part of it like that. I sliced it so it would stand. They would stand on their own like that, and they're not wobbly when you're trying to eat the avocados. And let me just go through the ingredients. I have 4 cans of, how many? These are in water, packed in water, 5 ounce each. These right here, 4 of them. And I also have this one, which is albacore, and I think this is also a 5 ounce can, which I'm gonna also include in there. So far I have 2 sticks of celery. I don't know if I'm gonna use them both, but I'm definitely gonna use the leaves of the celery. Got a few leaves here of romaine lettuce. I have 2 very small onions, which I chopped up in squares. And I have the cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes, I am going to just cut them in half and just put them like decoration on the salad. And I'm gonna put mayonnaise, a little bit of mustard, and I'm missing something. Ketchup, black pepper. Okay, so let me just get on with it. I'm gonna go through this video real fast on making the tuna salad, because I have another video on it if you want to see it in detail. So now I'm cutting the tomatoes, the cherry tomatoes. I'm cutting them in half. Not all of them. I'm just gonna. Maybe 3 on each. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here we have the avocados. First of all, I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil, and also I'm gonna sprinkle some pepper first. No, let's do the olive oil first. Okay. Pepper. I bought this kind of pepper. So, I mean, I like the one that you grind yourself, but they didn't have the whole peppercorn, so I had to get this one. This one is hard to control. Okay, let me get this ugly part here. All right, now we're going to put lettuce. We're gonna put lettuce, but we're not gonna put the lettuce all over. I mean, we're just gonna put it like a piece of lettuce. Let me put this one like that. Like here. This one has ugly part too. I'm just using the top of the romaine lettuce. Put this one right there. This one, this. Now we're gonna put the salad. The tuna salad now goes in. And stuff it as much as you can. Yeah, stuff it as much as you can because this is like an entire meal. And now we're gonna put the tomatoes. Okay, I think 3 tomatoes is more than enough. 3 slices, not 3 tomatoes. To make it look prettier, paprika. I'm gonna add some paprika. And what else? One more thing that I don't want to forget. Look, we're gonna drizzle some of this balsamic glaze. We're gonna drizzle some of this over them. It has like a balsamic taste, and at the same time it has like a sweet taste. So we're just going to drizzle. You guys want to eat already? Yep, almost there. Almost there. This is heavy. Okay, so this is it. This is it for today. This is my recipe, something very fast. If you have a couple of cans of tuna and an avocado, this is something that you can make. It's quick and it's delicious. Okay, so I hope you come back and visit my channel again. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next time, bye bye.